Good morning children. Now I am going to say you a few objectives which are related to UT-1 portion. Let us revise those bits children. The first bit is listen carefully and note down the answer and check the answer along with me children. The first bit is measuring device used to find the width of a tree. I repeat, measuring device used to find the width of a tree. What is the answer children? It's nothing but measuring tape. Right answer, measuring tape. Bit number 2 children. The error while taking the reading. Due to the wrong position of the eye. What is it? Once again I repeat, the very important bit in Cbse exam children. The error in taking the reading due to wrong position of the eye is called dash. The answer is parallax error. Number 3. Convert 1.65 meters into centimeters. How you have to convert children? You have to multiply this with 100. When you multiply 1.65 with 100, you will get 165. Therefore, 165 centimeters children. Next question. Convert 3,250 meters into kilometers. 3,250 meters into kilometers. 3,250 meters, you have to divide it by 1000 while you are converting from meter into kilometer. Then, as 3 zeros are present, the point comes 1, 2, 3, third jumping. The answer is 3.25 kilometers. 3250 meters into dash kilometers. While converting meter into kilometer, divide by 1000. Usually for the number, the point will be in the edge. It moves towards this left side. Here you will get 3.25 kilometers is the answer. Next bit children. Give any 2 examples of periodic motion. Give any 2 examples of periodic motion. What are the 2 examples children? Oscillating pendulum executes periodic motion. Next, needle in a sewing machine executes periodic motion. Okay children? Next children, next question. Why can't we use, very important bit this one, why can't we use pace or foot to be as a standard unit of length? Why children? Because pace and foot vary from person to person. They are not preferable. Vary from person to person. Pace or foot will vary from person to person and hence they are not used as a standard unit of length children. Now we take motion of wheel in a bicycle. What kind of motion you will see? Motion of wheel in a bicycle. Come on, say answer. What kind of motion do you observe there? The wheel will be rotating and hence you will observe rotational motion. It will be moving on a straight line. It will be moving on a road and hence we say rectilinear motion. So the wheel in a bicycle will make rotational motion as well as rectilinear motion. Next, needle in a sewing machine. Needle in a sewing machine will execute what kinds of motion children? Periodic motion you are saying, but it can also be considered under oscillatory motion children. Oscillatory motion also will consider. And oscillatory motion. And the wheel of your machine, when you take your sewing machine, the wheel of the sewing machine will be executing, wheel of sewing machine. What it will be doing? Rotational. So wheel of a sewing machine will execute rotational motion. Next question. Next bit. What is the SI unit of length? What is the SI unit of length? SI unit of length is nothing but meter. What is the SI unit of mass? SI unit of mass is nothing but kilogram. What is the SI unit of time? SI unit of time is nothing but second. Children, can you abbreviate what is SI? SI stands for International System of Units. What is SI, children? International System of Units. SI stands for, come on, repeat. SI stands for International System of Units. Is it okay, children? Now, once again, we'll see the remaining continuation of the bits. Next one. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Kilo means 1000, children. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters, children? 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. Now, rotation of the earth comes under what motion, children? Rotation of the earth comes under what motion? Guess it. It is an example of periodic motion. Rotation of the earth, revolution of the earth will come under periodic motion, children. Next, falling stone from certain height. Falling stone from certain height is an example of what motion? Falling stone from certain height. Suppose a stone is falling like this. What kind of motion? Nothing but it is an example of rectilinear motion. Falling stone from certain height is an example of rectilinear motion. Then children, which brought a great change in the modes of transport, children? The invention of what brought a great change in the mode of transport, children? It is nothing but the wheel. The invention of wheel brought a great change in the modes of transport, children. The tailor uses what device for measuring, children? The tailor uses measuring tape for measuring the measurements, children. The tailor uses what? The measuring tape. Children, cubit is equal to length of the forearm, children. Cubit will be equal to nothing but, cubit is nothing but length of forearm, which is now used by the flower sellers. Length of forearm and cubit are one and the same, which are used by the flower sellers now. When you take add, one add is equal to how many meters, children? 1 add is equal to how many meters, children? 0.9144 meters, children. 1 add is equal to how much? 0.9144 meters, children. 1 foot is equal to how many inches? 1 foot is equal to how many inches, children? 12 inches. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, children. 1 inch is equal to 1 inch is equal to how many centimeters? 2.54 centimeters. I repeat, 1 add is equal to 0.9144 meter. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, children. Next, I'll say you like, suppose here I have taken, this is a wooden block. Here I kept a ball here. Here is also another wooden block. That means ball is being fixed between two wooden blocks. Now I have taken a scale for measurement. I want to measure The diameter of the ball. The diameter of the ball. How can I measure the diameter of the ball? Here, initially, suppose it is showing around 10. It is showing around 30. I call this as initial reading. I call this 30 as final reading. I repeat, I call this as initial reading 10 centimeters. 30 centimeters, I'll call it as final reading. Now, how can I find out the reading here? Final reading minus initial reading. Final reading is 30 centimeters. Initial reading is 10 centimeters. When I subtract this, I'll get 20 centimeters. That is nothing but the diameter of the ball. Diameter of the ball. In the similar way, you have a Cbse question, children. I'll just read out the question. While measuring the length of a needle, the reading of the scale at one end is 3 centimeters. At one end is 3 centimeters. I am going to measure the length of a sewing needle. Initially it is 3 centimeters. Next it is showing final reading is 33.1 centimeter. I want to find the length of the sewing needle. First end reading is 3 centimeter. Next end reading is 33.1 centimeter. I want to find the length of the sewing needle. That is 33.1 centimeter and 3 centimeter. I am going to subtract final reading minus initial reading. Then what will come? You will get 30.1 centimeter, which is nothing but the length of a sewing needle. With this, I have completed a brief revision over the UT-1 portion, children. Learn well, prepare well and do well. All the best, children. Thank you.